Hello friends, in this video we will talk a problem in data structure based on the concept of double swap. So we have already discussed one problem of reversing a string based on this double swap type of problems. This is the second type of second problem basically on that particular concept. Now you are given an array. Let's say some numbers are given. Right now you have your role of this problem is you have to rotate this array. Let's say given some index. This element has a seven array elements in this particular array. Now you have to rotate by 3. It means the final output will look like in the first rotation. What will happen? 4, 3, 2, 6, 10, and then 9 will be gone here. Sorry, 9. In the second thing, this is shifted by 1, right? Rotated by 1. Now, if we have to rotate by 3, then what will be the output basically? It will be 8, 4, 3, 2, and these 3 numbers will come here, like 9, 10, and 6, right? If this is the output, can you solve what should be the approach to get this particular output? Take a moment and pause this video and then think and then come back. So initially I already gave the hint, double swap, right? But before looking at this particular solution, let's go through brute force approach and how will you solve that. So in brute force, in first you have to do one rotation at a time, right? You will rotate every element one at a time, and the last element you will put at the beginning. And similarly, all the elements will be added, shifted one, and then last element will be added at the front. In this way, you will do this type of shifting. If your array is of n size, and let's say you have to shift of k numbers, then what will be the complexity? Basically, you have to run k times loop with n, right? So your complexity will turn out this, right? O of n k. Basically a quadratic complexity, right? Now if I say can you reduce the complexity, definitely with the down swap approach, double swap approach. Let me write it, this double swap, sorry. So double swap approach, what it says, first you swap all the elements. So taking this as an original array, what we will do, we will swap all the element, and swapped array will look like this. Right, and how you can do this over O(n) complexity is just start point, basically a reference a pointer from here to here, and then just keep swapping. Right, this will remain here. So this is how you can swap in O(n) time. Now what you have to do, you are given a k, you have to rotate basically by k times. So you will do basically, you take the first k elements, you swap these things and swap the rest of the element. So the swapping of this will happen 6, 10, 9, right? Because you are swapping this and this is the one element, so it will remain at this. So this is your output for this sub array. Now for the remaining array, you will again swap, and the output will be, you are swapping these two and then 4 and 3, right? So in this way, what you have done, you have swapped these two basically sub arrays. Now you can check this and this. These are same sub arrays, the same arrays basically, right? So ultimately what you have done, you have swapped basically 2 times, basically double swap, but ultimately you are rotating this array by k times, right? So the complexity of this will be, definitely one swap will take O(n) time, and this will take OK plus OK minus 1, and all this will be plus. So this is done at one place, then plus is because you are not iterating again and again, you are iterating after this is done, then O of k, and then again this is plus O of n minus k, right? So with this overall, when you compare, it will be OK, O of n basically linear, which is definitely a better than in the square, right? N square. So I hope you got the idea how to solve such type of problems using the double swap approach. If you like this video, please share with your friends so that they can also understand these type of problems and solve in best complexity. Click on the like button and bell icon so that you will get notified on next video that I create on such topics. Please subscribe to this channel. This will help this channel to grow and reach other similar type of students who want to understand and master the data structure problems. So with this note, this is BK from Anika signing off.